Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best indoor house plants and tips for bringing nature into your home with fresh indoor plant ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Plants have the power to transform any indoor space into a serene and inviting oasis. Indoor houseplants are not only aesthetically pleasing but also offer a range of health benefits. In this video, we will explore the meaning of indoor houseplants, the best indoor houseplants to enhance your living space, and their various benefits. Indoor houseplants, what do they mean? Indoor houseplants are plants that can be grown indoors and are specifically selected to enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home. They are also known to offer various benefits, including air purification, stress reduction, and the improvement of mental health. The use of indoor houseplants has been known to create a sense of relaxation and improve the overall ambience of an indoor environment. Which plant is best for inside home? There are various indoor houseplants to choose from, but the best one depends on personal preference and the specific needs of your living space. Some popular options include snake plants, spider plants, ZZ plants, and pothose plants. These plants require minimal care and can be grown in low-light environments. What is the easiest houseplant to take care of? If you are looking for a low-maintenance indoor houseplant, the snake plant is an excellent choice. It requires minimal watering and can tolerate low-light environments. This plant is perfect for those who are new to indoor gardening or do not have the time to care for high-maintenance plants. Which indoor plant purifies the air the most? The peace lily is known for its ability to purify the air and remove harmful toxins. It is a low-maintenance plant that requires minimal care and can be grown in low-light environments. The spider plant and snake plant are also known for their air-purifying properties. Which plant gives oxygen 24 hours? The snake plant is known for its ability to produce oxygen even at night. This plant is perfect for bedrooms and can help improve the air quality while you sleep. Here are the top 10 best indoor house plants. 1. Snake plant. 2. Spider plant. 3. ZZ plant. 4. Pothose plant. 5. Peace lily. 6. Rubber plant. 7. English ivy. 8. Chinese evergreen. 9. Philodendron. 10. Aloe vera. Indoor houseplants are an excellent way to add color, beauty, and vitality to any indoor space. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance plant or a high-maintenance statement piece, there is an indoor houseplant for everyone. With the benefits of air purification, stress reduction, and mental health improvement, indoor houseplants are an investment in your well-being. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best indoor houseplants ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.